Do you know how your favorite peanut butter is made? From farm to jar, today we're taking you behind the scenes of a peanut butter factory to uncover the fascinating process that turns simple peanuts into this delicious spread loved worldwide. Let's dive in. The journey of peanut butter begins in the fields. Peanuts, also known as groundnuts, grow underground and are harvested when the plants are mature. Farmers use specialized machinery to pull the plants out of the soil, shake off excess dirt, and gather the peanuts. Once harvested, the peanuts are loaded onto trucks and sent to the processing factory. Here's where the magic begins. The first step in the factory is cleaning. The peanuts arrive with soil, stems, and other debris, so they go through a rigorous cleaning process. After cleaning, the peanuts are sent through shelling machines. These machines crack open the shells and separate the nuts from the hulls. The shells are often recycled for agricultural uses, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Once shelled, the peanuts are roasted to perfection. Roasting enhances their flavor and gives them that irresistible aroma. The roasting temperature and duration are carefully controlled to achieve the perfect balance of taste and texture. After roasting, the peanuts are cooled quickly to stop the cooking process. Now comes the most exciting part, turning these roasted peanuts into smooth, creamy peanut butter. The peanuts are poured into grinders that crush them into a fine paste. During grinding, additional ingredients like salt, sugar, and sometimes a little oil are added depending on the recipe. This ensures the perfect flavor and consistency. For crunchy peanut butter, small peanut pieces are added back into the mixture at this stage, giving it that delightful texture. Quality control is critical. Samples are taken throughout the process to ensure the peanut butter meets strict standards for taste, texture, and safety. Once the peanut butter is ready, it's time for packaging. The creamy or crunchy goodness is poured into jars, sealed for freshness, and labeled. Each jar is carefully inspected before being packed into boxes and shipped to stores worldwide. Modern peanut butter factories are also focused on sustainability. From recycling peanut shells to using renewable energy sources, many factories are working to reduce their environmental impact. So, when you enjoy a spoonful of peanut butter, you're also supporting a more sustainable future. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how peanuts become the peanut butter we all love. From the fields to the factory to your kitchen table, it's a process built on precision, passion, and care. Whether you enjoy it on toast, in a sandwich, or straight out of the jar, peanut butter is a testament to the wonders of food innovation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind the scenes content. See you next time.